Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. It comes to us for leaking inside the gauge, the pressure gauge. So this is the old one. I just opened the machine and replaced the old pressure gauge. This is the broken one. It was leaking kind of steam inside it, so I replaced it with a new one. Let's go ahead and test it. This is how the machine comes. I just like to test it with the maximum pressure possible with this blind portafilter. So let's go ahead and see. So I'm gonna do like kind of back flush. Whereas I left the machine like on for a long time. Here is it, if you can see, show. It's on the maximum pressure. That's perfect. Let's turn on the steamer. Just gonna this is the hot water. I turn it without looking. Okay, the steamer, this side. It's releasing the rest from the bottom, but in general, here is the pressure gauge. It's clear. Thank you for watching. Oh, let me, actually I like also just release some from the group head. Yep, done. Thank you for watching.